Why not for a Biafra fighter where they fight for the side where they call Bakassi? They say they don't lost one of their gallant men for inside that today. No be smart, you know. And as that one they happen, they say they neutralize more than 7 Cameroonian and Nigeria fighters for that side, Nigeria Army. For inside that Bakassi inside. No be smart, you know, as that one they happen for Imo State. They say that they neutralize Nigeria Army as well for Imo State. Say now what they give them, and most of them run for their life. No be smart, you know. We get one question where we want ask the people will be one Nigeria for them to answer us this question. We will bring the video come up. You know, say Nigeria Army, they always show us when they go attack people where they do bunkering, right? How many times they don't show us where they go attack people where they do illegal mining of gold for Zamfara? My people, we'll go find out how this thing take happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Barabbas Gist. If it's not the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Without fear. No be smart, you know. We'll proceed into the matter we will get for our hand today. They say that today no be small thing happen, a lot of things happen. Go they bring out one after the other. They give our people may they know what thing they go on. They say government on motorcycle. They say the government for motorcycle don't buy PDP ward chairman in Imo State. This one they happen. Today will not be smart thing they happen for Imo State as we they talk. They say breaking news: Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra resistance fighter, and the naval wing of Biafra has today 24/11/2023 neutralized both Nigeria and Cameroonian force in Bakassi. They neutralized 5 Cameroonian force BIR. Why we lost one gallant personnel in Bakassi. Why in old Imo State we giving them woto. This is coming from Biafra Liberation Army post today. What is going on for us to know how it happen for that side. But we go take one after the order. But before we continue, let's say that may the soul of this fighter of this Biafra army that died rest in peace. Your fight will never be in vain, because what is happening in Nigeria today is a clear message to Biafrans that you have to stand on your own and build the country that you love. Because Nigeria we are seeing today can never offer anybody anything. If you like, believe it. If you don't like, don't believe it. Keep one Nigerian. When Nigeria happened to you, you will realize that Nigeria is 3 Nigeria, not 1 Nigeria. Yeah, my people. We'll get another question. Very, very important question we want to ask those people will be 1 Nigeria. Let us ask you this question. What happened to the gold in Zamfara, where you see Kradri Fulanis and Hausas mining the gold with no harassment over there? And what happened to the oil in Niger Delta, oil in Imo State, oil in Abia State, and some other resources, coal in Enugu, and other resources where they for East? That one is 1 Nigeria. How many times have Nigeria military come up and say, today we'll capture 3 people mining gold in Zamfara? 0. If you ever see that, bring it here in comment section. We want to see it. But we hear them every time parading. Oh, we have scattered one illegal bunker. We have this one, we have that one. The injustice and what people are perpetrating against our people, the atrocities people are committing is very clear, and we are getting the message. Do you think that you will continue? No, you will not continue, because there are some people elsewhere waiting. All this thing that is happening, they are watching, but they are waiting for one thing. When that thing happens, you will see them in action. So keep destroying Igbo's property all over Nigeria, and you people think that the people keep quiet and it's over just like that. It's not over. It's not over. The Igbos you see today and the Biafras you see today are more dangerous and more violent more than you think. You don't have money. You as in your own level of violence is still learning from the people you are seeing today. If it is not the Biafra agitation and Biafrans, do you know that Nigeria now would have been an Islamic state? There's no two ways about it. So other tribes who are following this saga that goes on the internet, talking bad about the Igbo people, especially Igbo Biafrans, you people are making a great mistake, because they are also part of your savior. Because without them sacrificing their life, dying every day, Nigeria had to implement whatever they want to implement in that country, and nothing will happen. So we are sending this message to using this medium to ask this question: what happened to gold in the north? Where is the? We never ever hear that the gold in the north bring this thing to Nigeria table, but the things in other part of Nigeria is one Nigeria. There's one Nigeria resources or one Nigeria you people are benefiting for. So I'm going to play this video. I know that so many people will say this is not in Nigeria, this is not, but I want to play this video. This is what we are talking about. This is what it look like. The gold in Zamfara, they are mining it illegally. They are mining it. Why they will come to the Niger Delta, to rivers, to the Imo state, and start shooting or planting explosive in the bunkers they see around, fighting our people for us not to hold anything, and they will take anything in our land and go to north. But do you know the worst part of it? For you people to know that the God are still punishing you people. The place you are taking all those things is not better, even though the insecurity people have plotted in Southeast today, but still yes, Southeast is more better than other part of this country, other part of this north we are talking about today. In the north, South is more better in everything. So I'm going to play this video for you to watch before we come back and continue.
Na aka canta kilo sai giro dan sagi shege ya san wuri mai kyau kenan. Kun ga yadda aka tuwa daga nagara mai sallasa guntattaki shi waccan Allah wata Allah ka a to shikenan sai in bashi da rayuwa ya rere.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, this is the illegal mining gold that we are talking about in Zamfara, and Nigeria are not talking about this thing. Who are those people who are sponsoring this, who are paying these people? The laborers, the people that are working there, who are those people? And where is this money going? What happened? What have these people done to other part of this country? This is what I'm asking. Nobody want to wake up. Where is those money going? And they will come to your father's land. You that from Delta that they hate an Igbo, the God of judgment will judge you people. You in any other tribe of this country that hate an Igbo man, the God will judge you. God is going to judge you. The Chukwu Okike Abiama will judge you people. And this is what they're taking from your land. Not an Igbo man. I assume that it's an Igbo man doing this thing. Nobody will hear a word. And none of you will open mouth. That mouth you're opening social media because you have access to internet, because you manage and get set phone, and you come outside the internet to talk nonsense against the Igbo Biafrans. God will punish you people. Nobody is asking this question. Where is those money going to? And who are the people who are paying this labor here? But the one in your own state, in your land, is one Nigeria. My people, share this video, you get why. And make sure say you follow this page. Thank you so much.